Hi guys! Today we're going to try out Teckwrap's heat transfer vinyl. In this project I'm going to be using the Chameleon Shimmer Milky White vinyl. We will need very few supplies. We're going to need a Teflon sheet or parchment paper, something to measure your design with, your material that you're going to press on, as well as the pin pen tool that is from Teckwrap. This thing is amazing. And you're going to need your heat press. I will be using Cricut's Easy Press. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is measure where you want to keep your design. Now, my design is going to be at the back of this shirt. So I'm just going to measure. Now, the maximum I want the width to be is 9 inches. And the length also to be 9 inches maximum. So my design is going to be within the 9 by 9 inches. Now let's head to Design Space. Alright, so once we are in Design Space, we are going to click on Images and search for wings. So I'm going to scroll down till I find what I like this one, and see, if you notice, some of them might take a lot of time weeding, such as this or this. So I'm going to choose a design that is going to make it fairly easy for this project. Let's add to canvas, and as we measured on my shirt, I want it to be 9 inches. So it becomes 9 inches wide and 8.8 inches tall, so which is approximately the size that I wanted, which was 9 by 9. Now let's just click on Make It, choose on a mat. Alright, then click on Mirror, Continue, and let's go and set up our material. Alright, let's place the material and start cutting. Now, like I told you, my material is going to be about 9 by 9, so I'm just going to cut the material on the mat. Alright, once we've cut that, I'm going to start weeding. Now I'm going to weed this on the mat because it's a big piece and it's going to roll on me. So before that, I have this huge chunk over here that is going to be saved as scrap, so I don't want to throw it. So I'm just going to cut that. And peel it off the mat. Now let's start weeding this. Now it's fairly easy to weed. Just be careful around sharp corners like this. Sometimes it might lift up with you, so just keep an eye for that. Don't just yank it out. And for the cut settings, I did use the setting that they have recommended here. However, I needed a bit more pressure, so I put the pressure up to 200 instead of 185. Now let's press this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to lint roll the t-shirt. And because my t-shirt has a pocket in the front, so that's going to create a bulge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my pressing mat inside the t-shirt. This way I get a clean press. Okay, now let's preheat the shirt for 5 seconds just to get any moisture out. And now let's press our design. Now we're going to press this at a temperature of 275 for 10 seconds. Once it's completely cool to the touch, we will peel away the backing sheet and reveal the design. So let me show you how gorgeous this color is. I'm not sure the camera picks it up, but it has tiny glitters and it is sort of chameleon. Has a pinkish purpley iridescence to it. It's beautiful. So this was the project for today. I hope you liked it and see you on the next one.